Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add a photo gallery to your Shopify website, no coding needed. Having a visually appealing Shopify store is crucial in today's digital marketplace. Whether you're looking to showcase your products more dynamically, present a portfolio, or simply boost the aesthetic appeal of your site, a well-crafted photo gallery can make a substantial impact. Today, I'll guide you through the process of adding a photo gallery to your Shopify website using the Dawn theme, and the best part is, you won't need any coding skills to do it. Let's get started by first heading over to your Shopify site editor. This is your central hub for making design changes to your store. Once there, navigate to the specific page where you want your photo gallery to appear. It's important to choose a location that fits the purpose of your gallery. For instance, if you're highlighting specific products, you might want to place the gallery on your homepage. For testimonials or a creative touch, make sure it complements the rest of your page's layout. Now that you've picked the perfect spot, it's time to add the section where your photo gallery will reside. Look for the option labeled Add Section. Typically, you'll find this in the area of your page where you want to embed your gallery. Click on this option, and a menu of several section presets will appear. This is where you can decide how you want your gallery to look and function on your page. Shopify offers a few predefined options to make your task easier. You can choose from a slideshow, a collage, or even multi-row section presets. Each option has its unique style and utility, so consider which one best suits your brand's aesthetic and the message you want to convey. For those of you who crave something more personalized, Shopify's AI tool can generate custom photo gallery sections tailored to your specific needs. Just a quick note, using this tool might require a little patience as it works its magic to create a gallery just for you. Once you've selected or created your gallery section, it's time to add your images. Click on the placeholder, and you'll see a panel pop up on the right side of your screen. This is the Properties section where you can adjust your gallery settings. Start uploading your images one by one. It's crucial to ensure these images are of high quality and optimized for web use. This will help keep your site loading quickly and provide a better experience for your visitors. As you upload each image, take the time to add details like alt text. Alt text is essential not only for improving your site's accessibility for those using screen readers but also for enhancing your SEO, which can help your site rank higher in search engine results. After all your images are uploaded, take a moment to preview your work. Ensure everything aligns with your overall site design and looks just right. Once you're satisfied with the results, go ahead and hit that Save button. And there you have it. You've successfully added a photo gallery to your Shopify store using the Dawn theme. This simple yet powerful addition can make your site much more engaging and visually appealing. Don't forget to share your new gallery with your audience and explore the endless possibilities images can bring to your online presence. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to add a photo gallery to your Shopify website, no coding needed. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.